Hey guys, welcome to another Koalipops video. Today's video is a little different. We're doing an island tour of my Animal Crossing island because I've been playing it a lot. So let's get started. So I started a gaming channel. It's called JK Denim. Very simple, just my name. And I thought that the best way to introduce this to you guys was to show you the island that I've been working on while I'm playing Animal Crossing. I'm really proud of it, so let's get this tour started. So I'm going to start this tour outside of my 5-star airport. We only take first class tickets. It's very expensive, super expensive, you guys. And it leads into my giant residential services plaza. This is where Stevie Wonder's performed, Herbie Hancock's has performed here. This is where Diana Ross sings sometimes. And Professor Xavier and Magneto have played chess here as well. And oh, this popcorn, you guys, Emerald Lagasse made it. It's so fancy. You love it. I'll make it fresh for you guys. I'm from Los Angeles and I love the LACMA lights, so I wanted to incorporate it. Quick note, if you go at 2 in the morning, the security guard's just like playing the slot machine game on his cell phone, so you can do whatever you want. You can climb them. Nobody cares. Go at 2 in the morning. Now on my island, you guys, I'm also known as a painter. I painted this guy. He's wearing a jumpsuit. I think he's a mechanic. I'm not sure, but I think he's a mechanic. And this is just Lady and the Tramp having their spaghetti dinner. Sometimes I sing to them when I'm not busy. No big deal, just having dinner. We got a statue of David, and then we got a statue of, I think that is Muhammad Ali, and that's Muhammad Ali's brother on the other end. Now this is my lighthouse section, very boring, very basic, I don't know. And that's my bonfire section, also very basic. We don't really do much here, just like make s'mores, you know, sacrifice a goat every once in a while, just very basic bonfire stuff. Behind residential services is my giant house. Look at that, I got 2 fountains, you guys. I mean, they're really nice, but I'm probably gonna end up like MC Hammer. I'm just gonna be filing for bankruptcy because I have to maintain my fountains. It's a very sad story, you guys. This is my tiny pool. I like to chill here and eat these 2 popsicles. These popsicles were created by Willy Wonka, so they're non-melting popsicles. They've been like sitting out there for 2 weeks. Great flavors, so I like the cherry and the blueberry one. Now across from residential services is my museum. Hold up, I gotta stand in the right spot so that you can see it. Ba-bam! Look at that, my 2 fossils. The Stegosaurus one I dug up, and the T-Rex one, just so you know, it was actually the same fossil that was used in Jurassic Park. I paid like $7 million to put it on my island. I know. No expense was too much because I wanted this to be great. So expensive. Now on the side of my museum is my classroom. This is where I teach all of my citizenship classes. There's 2 villagers on my island that aren't citizens of my island yet, of Cocoa Falls. And so this is where I teach them all the citizenship stuff so that they can get their citizenship. And they're very close, you guys. I'm like very proud of them. Like a proud daddy. Oh, okay, so now we got where my snapping turtles are. The one closest to the water is Snap, and then we got Crackle and then Pop over there. I don't know. I feel like they've been having the same conversation for like 3 weeks. I don't know what they're talking about though. Oh, and this is the Able Sister shop. I told them to put this mannequin with this dress outside, and I said, yo, you do that and you'll get customers all day, every day. You'll be selling out of all your clothes. And I was right, you guys. Selling like hotcakes these. Now what's over here? Oh, what is this called again? Oh yeah, Nook's Cranny. That's right, this is Nook's Cranny, and on the side of it we have our Starbucks, but we got sued by Starbucks because we didn't get the permission to use their name, so we call it Starlux. It's just like, you know, off-brand Starbucks because Starbucks was giving us a little bit too much attitude. They got pretty mediocre coffee here. It's alright, it's not the best, but it's fine. And then on the other side we have a rental shop, so you can rent bikes, and then we, I don't know, print out a receipt on the fax machine because we live in 1995. And then across the way is the marketplace. This is where all the tourists and celebrities like to shop. Yeah, so this is the fish market. Jackie Chan likes to buy his fish here because all the market fish is really fresh. All the fish on my market's really fresh. This is our Ben & Jerry stand, but again, we can't say Ben & Jerry's because they're giving up to its attitude, so we call it Ben & Henry's. Still pretty good ice cream though. Now over here, this is where you can buy the plants. We got all of our mermaid stuff here. It's pretty overpriced, but that's okay. I'll give you a good discount if I like you. Otherwise, you'll pay regular price if I don't. And this is where we sell all the fruit from our orchard. Now I like giving all the villagers on my island jobs. So this is Meringue's house and she runs the Meringue Cafe. She just highlights all of the baked goods. She likes bacon, like her carrot cake up front. It's pretty good. My mom's carrot cake is better, but you know, I give it to her. It's not that bad. Now behind Meringue shop is actually my giant farm. I know that Animal Crossing is going to be adding vegetables later on. I don't know when, but I wanted to be prepared, and so I made this giant farm, which for now just holds all the flowers I use for weddings. And there are a lot of celebrity weddings on this island, you guys. Katy Perry and Orlando Bloom, they had their wedding here, and I'm not supposed to say this, but Selena Gomez, and I'm not saying the name of the guy, starts with an L, ends with a B. And then on the right side of the Meringue Cafe is my little Tokyo area. So it starts out with a whole bunch of cherry blossoms. And then up top is where Stitch runs the arcade. Very poorly, I might add. That guy's extremely lazy. Now behind Little Tokyo, it actually opens up into our illegal fish market. This is run by Zucker. You can buy all of the illegal fish that you're not supposed to have, but nobody knows about it, wink wink. I don't know if I approve of it, but I kind of look the other way because it makes us money on our off season, so it kind of evens out our budget. I know I'm not the best man in the world. And that kind of leads into our dock. Now if I walk across Little Tokyo, go up this incline, I make my way to Candyland where Pietro and Judy live. Yep. This was actually inspired by Pietro. He was the first villager I had that was very colorful, and I wanted to make a place that really represented him. And also, I know the Mad Hatter personally, and he helped me create this bomb tea party. Look at it. I know you're jealous, but I have his number on speed dial, so if you want this on your island as well, just hit me up and I'll give you his number. Alright? I got you, homie. Now behind here is my campsite, and it's very basic. Only ugly villagers ever visit me, and so I'm like, I'm not even gonna deal with this. I don't care if you're living your best life on my island. Uggos, get out of here. Now to the left of Candyland is my Shell Lagoon. This is where a lot of the mermaids hang out. Ariel brings her daughter here, Melody, and they just sit here and they relax. They like to jump on the rocks that lead back into Little Tokyo. It's a very relaxing time, you guys. And I'm gonna get some crystals because I live in Los Angeles and everybody's about that crystal life here. Okay, so now we're gonna cross. Oh, hold on, this is my best friend. Let me say hi to her. Hey girl, you doing good? I'll see you later. I'm just taking these people on a tour of our island, alright? I'll be back later. Now when you cross the bridge, you find yourself in the dig site, the archaeological dig site. This is where I dug up the Stegosaurus. This is where me and my friend Eric, the deer, he's pretty bomb reindeer. We dig up fossils and we just send them all around the world to different museums, and that's kind of how we make our money in the off season as well. Well, this is the legal way that we make money in the off season. After that, make your way down and you find yourself back at my gigantic house. Yes, that is my island, you guys. Now there are a few spots that I didn't show you because they're kind of incomplete and I didn't want you to see it. A lot of them look like trash. Some of them just aren't finished yet. Now like I said, this is an introduction to my gaming channel, JK Denim. Very simple, it's just my name. There are links in the description box so that you can subscribe. I'm really excited about this. I love the videos that I already have up. They give you ideas for how to decorate different rooms in your house, and I just started showing you how to create different themed islands. And I'm curious how many of you are playing Animal Crossing while in quarantine. Now there will be new cake videos probably next month, but for right now I want to just focus on content that makes me happy, that is simple, and that makes me laugh. And so I'm only really producing under 30-minute videos because they're hilarious to me. But I hope you also enjoy them. I hope they make you laugh, and I hope they help you get through this extremely tough time. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay well, physically and mentally, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.